Mubarak to all of you. I hope you all are enjoying this holy month of Ramadan. Today I'm going to make fruit chaat, which is very simple and easy. I have given the ingredients quantity in my in description box. Go through this. I'm adding apples, melon, banana, chickpeas. It is optional. If you want to add, you can. If you don't want to add, then you cannot. Guava, some tin fruits, just to give it little taste. I'm adding tang, salt to taste, sugar, and little bit chaat masala. And I am going to mix this for about 5 minutes. The sugar will dissolve in 2 to 5 minutes. So see you in 5 minutes. Okay viewers, now I am going to shift this in another bowl like this. And then I am going to garnish it with some dates. If your children do not eat dates, then you can give them like this, in this shape, and then some almonds like this. If you like my video, then like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment on my video. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.